What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Right now, I'm at the headquarters working on my stair design. I'm almost done. I done painted things that I need to paint. I'm letting my wood dry out, and then I have to drill my holes in my wood, and then assemble everything together, and it's pretty much done. But I wanted to say something real quick. When I release videos, I just release organic content on what I'm doing. You know what I mean? And what I believe personally. Like, this is my personal belief, my grind, and I can only speak about something that I know. You know, I can only speak of what I know works. You know what I mean? And I'm the type of individual where I don't believe in taking no for an answer. I believe in finding a way. I believe in if there's a will, there's a way. So um, everything that I do for someone who don't think like on the same mind frame as far as entrepreneurship and hustle, it's unorthodox. Like, it's gonna be contrary to what you was taught. Like, you know, if you're used to hearing what other people said and going with the flow of the majority, then my whole concept and my teaching style is gonna be, it's gonna be hard for you to receive it because you used to listen to the majority. And what I do and how I'm living is against the majority. I chose to go a different path. Like, the way the entrepreneurs and the hustlers, the way we go, it's like it's different. It's not a lot of people that go this path that truly say that that's what they're doing. You know, they'll say, "Oh, this is what I'm doing," but you can go back 2 years on my content and see my consistency of where I started and where I'm at. So that way, once I get to these different levels, there's no way you can say, "Oh, he just got it overnight. He just talked." Nah, it was work, man. Work that was documented. You see what I'm saying? And I'm not asking for permission to do anything. I'm not asking nobody for their for permission to do anything in my life. Nothing. I'm not asking you for your opinion to do anything in my life. Like, to me personally, your opinion don't mean anything to me. It doesn't. Just like someone else's opinion shouldn't mean nothing to you unless you ask for it. If I ask you, whoever you are, if I ask you and say, "Hey, what you think about this or this or this?" Or if I form a video and ask a question, "Hey, I was wondering, what do you think about this?" I asked a question, then it's okay to give your opinion. But I have learned, me as a man personally, that if you give your opinion when it's not needed, when it's not asked for, you can cause some backlash on yourself, or you can cause, getting your feelings, or you can cause a situation that could have been prevented because all you had to do was keep your opinion to yourself. You see what I'm saying? Like, literally, like, I have did it. And I'm like, nah, I don't do that. Like, it ain't none of my business unless you ask me personally, "Hey, Phoenix, what you think about this?" Then I give you my opinion. I just live my life. This is my lifestyle. And what I'm doing, I'm not asking anybody for their opinion. I'm not asking anybody for permission. I'm hustling. I'm doing it. As long as God bless me to get up and grind, I'm a grind. And I'm going to do it in a way that might seem unorthodox for you. But while you watching me, you can tell I'm growing. You can tell what I'm doing is winning. So unless you really want to know, you ask me. But on the cool, though, I don't ask for nobody's opinions. Like, I don't really care. I don't ask for permission. You know what I mean? Like I say, I live by a different code, so I don't ask for permission. You know what I mean? I'm doing something. And if I was asking for permission, or I was doing everything that the normal people do, there's no way I'd be where I'm at today. No way. So all I'm saying is, man, everything I give is just me giving. You know what I mean? I'm not, I don't try to tag anyone. Every now and then I tag welders, I say this, but a lot of time I just use my own hashtags. Like, I'm not trying to, my thing is, I know it's not my purpose to wake anyone up. Because if I got to convince you, it's not for you. And I don't believe in convincing anyone. It's either for you or it's not. Formulate period. I'm not gonna convince you to give me nothing. Nothing. I'm not gonna ask them. I'm not gonna convince you. You even gonna say, "Hey, man, this is for me," or you gonna say, "Hey, this is not for me." But me personally, I'm not gonna convince you. That's not my purpose. I'm a light. I shine. So once you do wake up and you see, damn, we got something. Then you can say, "Hey, man, shine that light." Then I shine the light on it and I can show you what I'm doing. I can, get you out the situation. But as long as you sleep and you feel like this is the way to go, and I'm gonna let you go. Hey, do your thing. You know what I mean? That ain't gonna hurt my feelings because I know that self-preservation is the first key. And then I got my family and I got those who look up to me. Hey, I'm gonna give you the truth. So for those who ask me, I'm gonna give it to them. I'm gonna give it to you raw. So don't think I'm gonna sugarcoat nothing, because I don't believe in sugarcoating shit. I'm gonna give it to you raw. So don't ask me if you don't want to hear the truth. You see what I'm saying? But hey man, I just like to be real and organic. You know what I mean? I mean, that's the only way to be. That way, you know, those I got to teach and, you know, and talk to and give my direction of where I come from, they'll know that, hey, he ain't lying, he ain't sugarcoating nothing, he ain't trying to, I ain't got nothing to prove to nobody. Ain't nobody feeding me. I'm not sitting back waiting on the check to come in, and if I don't say something right, I'm gonna miss my check. No, I'm not doing none of that shit. I'm out here around and making my own meal. You see what I'm saying? So don't none of that mean nothing to me. But I just wanted to say that, man, real quick, 'cause that was on my mind. And I wanted to show you these steps before I get up out of here. So right now I just got it painted. You know, got my ends and caps in. So I got my wood drying out. So, you know, the way I see it, it's all about utilizing what you got. You know what I mean? Whatever situation you in, utilizing what you got. And you're not gonna get nowhere by listening to the norm, like by going with the flow, by going with the broad way. I know, you know, for those who believe in the scriptures in the Bible, it say that the broad way, it leads to destruction. And the narrow path is the way to righteousness. HogOn.